Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Truth Network token. Ticker symbol is TRUU. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 12th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their webpage, truth-network.io. Over there you can find all their socials, resources, DApp information, community section, tokenomics, you name it, is all on the webpage there. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. They have over 8,000 followers at truth_network_. And this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 12th. At 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Bingx. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bingx account, you could download Bingx from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search TRUU when the token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage, again, has tons of info on there if you want to check that out. Check out their other socials as well. Now it says TRUU is the cornerstone of the Truth Network, a pioneering decentralized proof of authority network designed to provide fair, transparent, and verifiable outcomes for prediction markets. By enabling up to 50,000 nodes to collaboratively determine market results, Truu token reduces the risk of collusion and establishes a trusted infrastructure layer underpinning these markets. Its robust token economy aligns incentives across a global community, encouraging honest participation and delivering a secure, equitable framework for resolving disputes. Now this, their white paper presents the key economic parameters, governance frameworks, distribution models, and long-term strategies that guide the Truth Network's development, if you want to check that out. Now it says, as Truu token matures, it will serve as a critical infrastructure for a wide array of prediction markets and decentralized applications. Its stakeholders collectively preserving the network's integrity, transparency, and long-term value. Truu token operates under a proof of authority, POA consensus mechanism, where trusted node operators verify outcomes and uphold network integrity. Now, the purpose of the Truu token, it's a utility token that powers a large-scale blockchain-based verification network, ensuring equitable resolution in prediction markets. It supports up to 50,000 nodes, each contributing to a fair determination of outcomes. The token is central to the network governance, economic incentives, and the overall trust model that underpins the verification layer. Their objectives, number one, is to enable a transparent and fair system for validating prediction market results, incentivize node operators to secure the network and deliver accurate outcomes, establish a governance model that allows token holders to shape the ecosystem's future. Now, there is a total supply of 100 billion Truu tokens. Now, allocations here, it says 55% allocated to daily node rewards distributed over multiple years. As halving events reduce the daily distribution, this pool ensures node operators are continuously incentivized to secure and validate the network. Now, 20% is secured on-chain and directly governed by the token holders, and this treasury supports grants, network enhancements, community incentives, and incentive programs. There is token-based voting, ensuring that any disbursements require collective approval, preventing uncontrolled token releases that are not in the best interest of the whole community. 20% is liquidity provision and exchange listings maintained as a reserve to ensure sufficient liquidity on exchanges through market making, reduce volatility, and support smooth secondary market operations. 5% founding team, allocated with a 2-year linear vesting schedule, starting when node fee payments start in phase 2. This ensures long-term alignment of interests and prevents short-term speculation. Which brings us to the roadmap with phase 1, open source, tried and testing ERC20 implementation. Then we got scalability features, robust security audit report, and then we have the website, community channels, central exchange technical requirements, liquidity pools, market making, deployment and verification, risk mitigation, and operational network integration of prediction markets and token rewards begin. Now, this is the utility model, while end users of the prediction markets interact primarily with stable coins, examples USDT for markets. Truu token functions behind the scenes to ensure accurate results determination. Nodes provide their computing power, checking sources and agreeing on the outcome of the markets as their network participation, and receive Truu tokens as rewards, aligning their incentives within the network's integrity. The key utilities, prediction outcome resolution. At its core, Truu token is designed to serve as the backbone for verifying outcomes on third-party prediction markets. Platforms can integrate Truu's resolution services, accessing a trusted network of validators to ensure accurate and tamper-resistant results, reporting via the decentralized node network. And lastly, there's governance. So Truu token holders gain influence over key decisions regarding the network upgrades, fee structures, and future protocol enhancements. Through on-chain voting, the community can propose and enact changes that align with the long-term vision of a fair, transparent prediction market ecosystem. So the token can be used for network gas fees, community rewards, community treasury, and Truu-based prediction markets. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.